welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this new wig sent from Unice Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So this is their new Bye Bye Slip wig unit, you guys. I have it in a Yaki straight texture. It's in a 7x5 closure and 150% density and in 24 inches. So with this wig unit here, you guys, it's upgraded because it's designed to make sure that your wig does not slip off of your head and that it lays flat. So it comes with the additional silicone strips within the wig unit so that your wig does not move at all. And I will have to say that this is the flattest wig that I've actually ever received. Usually, you guys, some of the Unice wig units kind of bubbles at the top, and you'll see me pushing down on, you know, the top of my head, the crown area, because that's usually where it, you know, sits. But you guys, this wig unit sits extremely flat on my head, and you do not have to do much at all. So here you guys are seeing me like patting to see if it's like bubbling up, or, you know, I'm able to feel any space, and I did not at all. It's really laying flesh on my head. So this wig unit was very much easy to put on. It's a wear and go wig for sure, in my opinion. You would definitely have to go in and tint your lace with whatever your skin tone is. If you guys are looking for products that I use for my hair videos, you know that they're always linked in my Amazon storefront. Now, as for the band, they do have this new tightening band. It's not new because it's been like a year and a half, but they do have it in this new design wig, you guys, and I prefer this type of, you know, tightening band over the thick adjustable straps. I've been saying that in my videos lately. I just really don't like the thick adjustable straps, and I usually take them out of my wigs anyways, but because these are supposed to be, you know, glueless wig installs, I have to make sure that I have like a tightening band or an adjustable strap so that, you know, my wig can be really, really secure. So I really do love the tightening band that comes at the nape area because it really does secure your wig unit. So yeah, so I'm just going in and straightening my hair, you guys. It does come pretty straight in my opinion, but it does have a bend because it's been in packaging, and I have it on low settings. Now remember, this is a Yaki straight texture, you guys, and this wig is 150% density, and I can definitely tell because I'm usually sent over their 180% density wig units when it comes to Unice, but I can definitely tell the difference between their 150% and their 180%. So I feel like density is a preference thing. You know, a lot of people don't like a lot of hair, but there's girls who love a lot of hair, and I'm a girl who loves a lot of hair, but I wasn't really alarmed with the density of this wig unit because it is a Yaki straight texture. So I guess the texture kind of makes up for the density as well, you guys. So it looks really, really natural. So if you guys are looking for a wig unit that you can honestly put on and go, literally, you guys saw what I did literally in this hair video. Not much at all, and this is straight out of the packaging, you guys. So if you are looking for something that you can truly put on and go, you don't have to worry about it sitting on top of your head, you don't have to worry about it slipping off or slipping back, okay, then you need to check out this wig unit here. I'm sure they probably come in different colors and things of that such, but today I am just reviewing it in this natural 1B color. And yeah, so I really do enjoy the bleaching job. I also love the plucking on it as well. As you guys could see, I did not have to do my baby hairs. And yeah, but I do want to let you guys know I 100% prefer frontals over closures, and you know, I'm still just a frontals girl, so it is what it is. But that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. Make sure that you guys check down below, down in the description box, to check out this wig unit, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
These are dream rules. This is someone else. I'm not myself. No, no. 'Cause these are dream rules.